Eye Endra Kwame A+ eye interview ewo Accra FM na program our course no edin no eye Ayiko etiefo wokekan sem hey A+ na menim say MPP for no eye ade abo mo edwa A+ dada ba we ebema bo mo edwa no more nsema na A+ wokokan wo ho first wo say wo hwe Ghana de ekoso pan na wo ose wo market Akufo-Addo atese wo bema na 30%. Na yeni say Ghana marking system so ye ma 30% atese F na wenya no just we faili. Ose wo bema Akufo-Addo 30%. Na wo hwe Akufo-Addo pa ene Mahama memu a bo no say he Mahama na ye ka so wabon no a yeni aye kotutia no trese Mahama ne kra wayade esin Akufo-Addo etiefo na mem pese ebeba se me ma sem na me kan hye eye Kwame A+ na numu nti no me wo transcript of the course interview na course no nsema wo kokan nti pese me read nsema wo de tudwa etre wo say if you tell us John Mahama is doing something which is not good and that you come and do better but you come and do worse, you tell us John Mahama is practicing a family and friends government and we all believed you and went and told the electorate that John Mahama is enforcing a family and friends regime and you came to power and introduced family and friends in government, it means you are someone who does not tell the truth. Wasi answer na Akufo-Addo ebe than the president no. Wa Ghana fo ni ati ase say Mahama de family and friends just an nanfofo ene nebusuafo nkwa no di bu amame eye Ghana aban no. Ite Akufo-Addo kasa tia Akufo-Addo kasa wono ba wonye sa nanso wende Akufo-Addo bae trese di fiefo ene ne nanfofo chim ena trese wode omuni na ebegum na wo kokan na MPP fo asori ebe ka trel se masa amemro no sebe enye atamfo ne edibu ye the friends and families ene ebu because you trust your friends and families na munim sa ena na embra Mahama so wo ye bi no wo be kasa tia and that ye wo ka ten say amemo no enye enemies ene edibu and no any asema A+ wo kan and I was say it means you are someone who doesn't tell the truth. Not say Akufo-Addo you be a sebe one kind of credit because of this thing. And so why we and I was also at the boss who said if you tell me that John Mahama is incompetent and one of the reasons was that he had 87 ministers and I go and campaign, you tell me to wake up at dawn to go and do door-to-door campaigns, moving from room to room at Accra Polytechnic, entering ladies' room and assuring them that when Nana comes to power, he will reduce the number of ministers, and then you come to power and you increase it from 87 to 120 plus. And there are ministries that have 3 deputy ministers, chief directors. When it happens that way, then you have disappointed the people who love you. Wasi one no personally Nana do katre no Nana do sanso katre Ghana for my yeni ayete ye se Mahama nkwa ba ye wabefa ministers nkwa 87 wabefa ministers nkwa 87 no Akufo-Addo ba lean government. He's promising Ghana lean government. Akufo-Addo better now so and the ministers bako over 120. Just say bro Mahama de no over 30 plus. Now one no A+ one nanti ko Accra Polytechnic evra emba dem ahomachi rank for them ekatro wo mo se Mahama hwe ono nkwa ko ministers 87 na Akufo-Addo ba wono wo bete so na tese Ghana yesika no sika yedi tia sa ministers V8 abo mo bedem sika edem mu ni na at least ebetumi dia ye bibipa ende se wo wa ba no wa be fa ngofo 120 dia na tese wo mo a wo mo do no sebe we disappoint you mo big time. Etiefo in sema A+ no enye easy. But me say mo follow Kwame A+ for a very long time no. You are not actually surprised because currently in Sembi say na warrior then Walker. Kwame A+ now has become a very very big enemy of his own MPP. Now we no and I was answer the boss who said the followers of MPP who believed the things Akufo-Addo told them are disappointed because you told us that the Ghana cedi under John Mahama was $3.7 was 3.7 cedis to $1 and it has made the cedi very weak. but you have rather taken us to 5+, and that is what hurts. It isn't that anyone hates Nana Addo and feels he's a bad person. Was it one no A+ wakasa, and yes, I said what time Nana Addo in Crawford cancer wakojiska or Mahama ho what time Nana Addo ne nyaman was, and yes how. And yes, I said what time Nana Addo Abia one no A+ to woye nipa bonu. Now me was screenshot be of Nana Addo kra Instagram, Instagram, Twitter. Screenshot of Nana Addo Twitter. So that time na Ghana 3.5 no 3.4 to $1. Nana Addo tweet ye waka say aden na 3.4 to $1. Ghana ye perform no no ye voting mana wo be me so ate. And then Nana Addo abaso yi say dollar no say 5.4 keka ko 5.5 amu no. Inti A+ kan say wo share yembo say wo de wo ba wo be yese wo ba wo be yese. Na Embra Mahama woso no na enompo de 3.7 Akufo-Addo wo ba so yende ene na keka akọ 5.5 a yanhwe ye a next year nkrofo predict say dollar ne betumi abeda ne 6 cedis no eno ne asema Kwame A+ wo ka na wo ka nyama bisi a enye se wotan no eye ne kre e na wo ka etiefo was we followed Nana Addo because of his knowledge, ideas and plans. So if you come and do what the SY government did, then we are disappointed in you. Was one of the other kind of pain? Say Nana Addo would in a chin sebe enye Nana Addo na ho ofe enye senya Nana Addo te enye Nana Addo brofo a wote ntia dabi. Was say plans and Nana Addo ma on no A+ a GD ye. But katre Ghana fo hu say Nana Addo ye man a chance na bia the plans obetumi aye no eno hu nti ne to aba ema no. Na say ende ye kasa mama nkasa ye mia ya no ne enye den ye nkasa ye be ye just ye be kasa. Na Nansenya referendum nsema bekoso ya Nana Addo ba bonten na President Akufo-Addo, let me accord him His Excellency ba bonten kan say referendum ye cancel any sensem no A+ wo no mpo de wo ka kire MPP for the dada say sa referendum nsemi MPP for be hu say omo call referendum na wo mo be lusu into on be ye omo adwen say wo mo be twa asan na ase wo ye pastor the same thing NAC ye MPP for analyze ya wo mo hu say adi yanhwe ya ebegu ye numu ase no na sebe Akufo-Addo ba bonten intentema wo be ye press conference awokan ana wo be address the nation awokan na Akufo-Addo address the nation ni we kra no na a lawyers for akese sorry ka say the Akufo-Addo ye na kra no sebe etiamra ti na me ne wo ka say NBC for the president na Air Supreme Court na me de ehonsem ebebro later because Ghana mra na say what person will cancel referendum the first thing you need to do they say was say what parliament nti you say embra the president Akufo-Addo wo ba bonten ebe announce say will cancel referendum no sa time no na won fa asem no enya nko parliament here nti na fail lawyers for a raise concern say na say president I say be wo ya lawyer wo ni membra say wo nim say ade we say eni kwan say wo ye etia mra e wo say wo de ko parliament answer wo be kan wan asem a wa be kan na wo dia wo ba so a wa be addressing nation wa ba Facebook live a be kan one fan ko parliament wo kan we ya lawyers for twe wan adwa ba so no afiance and dem ne wo ka say yes asem no akwa PM e wo parliament nti eno ne asem a huhu a e wo ho nti wo no A+ no wo kan to ho say BBC ebesi ne kra esi na according to him no wo say wo no mpo de ase adoye aba na kumem nti na wo ma eye Akufo-Addo 30% rating no na 30% the clear and they say well no A+ he has a soft for spot Sandy Beka no he has a soft spot for a year President Akufo-Addo in China woman 30% na kene de utumi say dia wo be man no because in sema sebe Akufo-Addo kan say wo ba wo ma ensi no just say so na eko na wasi Akufo-Addo nhwe ye nkrofo a wo mo surround no wo mo boga na bro na senior sebi Akufo-Addo won kasa emphasize nsem ne ho no wosusu say Akufo-Addo has a hand in it ntia na won kasa mfa ho but first no na A+ eba abonten ebe kasa emphasize nsem ne ho na wo yi Akufo-Addo si nche so oye so say Akufo-Addo knows no knowledge about it ntia but wahwehwe mu hu say dabi it has been going on for far too long Akufo-Addo ba so corruption cases yes ye kan ya sebe eche mahama de 8 years kra eno ne nsema etie for wode atodwa enye easy ba wase nipa de ne kre ewo ho a ewo se wo kan wase ade ba ko pe na se be Akufo-Addo aye a wono A+ obetumi abona ba so a ne de eno any free SHS no ose won kan na wo ye den oboa free SHS ne de president no wa ya de papa etie for won tre wadwe comment box ni mo me da ase